top 5 must-have kitchen appliances on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, your kitchen is your happy place. But let's be real, having the right appliances can take your cooking game to the next level. Today, we're diving into my top 5 must-have kitchen appliances you can snag right now on Amazon. Trust me, these are game changers. Alright, first up, we have the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This little powerhouse can do it all. Pressure cook, slow cook, steam, saute, and even make yogurt. What I love most, it saves so much time. You can make a tender pot roast in under an hour. And with a 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or meal prepping. Plus, the built-in safety features make it practically foolproof. Oh, and it's super easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Next up, the Ninja Foodi Power Blender and Processor System. Guys, this is not just a blender, it's your go-to for smoothies, dough mixing, chopping, and more. It comes with a 1400-watt motor and smart torque technology, so it powers through tough ingredients without stalling. And can we talk about the Auto IQ preset programs? Just press a button and it'll handle the rest. Whether you're whipping up a smoothie or kneading pizza dough, it's effortless. This is my secret weapon for healthy living. Smoothie in seconds? Yes, please. Third on the list is the Cosori Pro 2 air fryer. If you haven't jumped on the air fryer trend yet, what are you waiting for? This one has a 5.8 quart capacity, perfect for crispy fries, juicy chicken, and even desserts. What sets this apart is the customizable cooking functions. You can save your favorite settings for go-to recipes. Plus, it's 20% faster than traditional methods and uses up to 85% less oil. Crispy, guilt-free goodness in no time. I'm obsessed! Coffee lovers, this one's for you. Say hello to the Breville Barista Express espresso machine. It's like having a cafe in your own kitchen. This bad boy has a built-in conical burr grinder, so you get freshly ground coffee every time. The pressure control ensures the perfect espresso shot, and the steam one lets you froth milk like a pro for lattes and cappuccinos. Is it pricey? A little, but if you're spending money on coffee runs, this pays for itself in no time. Last but definitely not least, the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. This iconic mixer isn't just a statement piece for your countertop, it's an absolute workhorse. With 10 speeds and a variety of attachments, it can handle everything from kneading dough to whipping cream. And with 5-quart stainless steel bowl, big enough for double batches of cookies. Bonus points for all the fun colors it comes in. Mine's watermelon, and I'm in love. If you bake even occasionally, this will change your life. So there you have it, my top 5 must-have kitchen appliances on Amazon. I've linked all of these in the description below, so check them out. Let me know in the comments which one you're adding to your cart. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your kitchen adventures be delicious.